Hello student. In last lecture we have a study about process of fertilization in angiospermic plant. We know in angiospermic plant double fertilization is takes place. It means two male gamete is formed, one male gamete fuse with egg cell and form zygote and one male gamete fuse with egg cell and form zygote. Now zygote is diploid and second male gamete fuse with secondary nucleus and form triploid endosperm. So now see how is zygote developed. After fertilization, synergid cell, antipodal cell get degenerate. Then development of endosperm and zygote is takes place simultaneously. Endosperm is a triploid. Its function to provide nourishment or nutrition to the developing zygote. So see development of embryo or embryo after fertilization around zygote wall is developed. Now zygote is called oospore. That oospore get divided transversally and form two cell. Larger cell is called suspensor cell or basal cell, while a smaller cell is called embryonal cell. So in diagram we can see there is suspensor cell and this is the embryonal cell. Now suspensor cell get divided and make row of 8 cell. These 8 cell make a line by this suspensor cell deeply enter inside of endosperm for the absorption of a nutrient to developing embryo. After some time, embryonal cell get divided and form a group of cell which is appear as ball like, and that is called as globular embryo. After some time, that globular embryo get converted into heart shaped embryo. Further it is increased in size. Now finally heart shaped embryo get converted horseshoe shaped embryo. It is also known as mature embryo or embryo. It have two cotyledon in dicot plant and single cotyledon in monocot plant. There is plumule and radicle. During seed germination, from radicle root is developed. As like this, from plumule, shoot will be get developed. Thank you.